So we'll go to Hirek. So this stock was up from previous day, and when I checked it, it was around 2.5, less than 3% up in the morning within 5 minutes. So this was the 5 minute candle, and the stock was up within 5 minutes. It had gone up. It was around 3.87% up. So what I did was I just placed a limit order to buy at 50% of this candle. Price came down, gave me entry, and later on it went up nicely. And on a daily chart, what was the scenario? I will show it to you. Four things are very important for any stock move. First thing is trend. If the stock is in uptrend, it has potential to move up. If the stock is in downtrend, it has potential to move down. And if it has to a stock which is in downtrend, if it has to turn, it will take lot of time. So even though this is bottom of this chart or this is bottom of this chart, it has taken lot of time. It went into consolidation, went up, again it went into consolidation. So even if we buy here, it went up, again came deep down. In this phase, when the trend is just changing to uptrend, it is better to wait and buy on retracement. So buy on dip method works better when it is initial uptrend. And we use TRT. So when color is green, it's uptrend. When color is down, red, it's downtrend. Pink color, yellow color, they are sideways colors. And it gives clear cut idea what is the trend. And next important thing is what is bias and momentum. So for bias and momentum, what we use is this. This is dual dynamic bands. So I have used two different bands. One is chart time frame band and one is input time frame. Red line is chart time frame. This green line is also chart time frame based on hidden gaps. And then we have purple, which is a momentum, and a black line. So here we have black. Here there is a downward momentum continuously, therefore it is continuously black. There is upward momentums. It started here in this big up move. So upward momentum started here, but it went in momentum here. So early in the phase when prices are just near this red lines, the stock does not start moving immediately. But when red line disappears or prices are above red line, it goes into good momentum. And I have noticed when it goes into momentum, it has to consolidate. So when it consolidates, sometimes the downward momentum also appears. Like here we have downward momentum area. If you can notice this, there is a black color here and we have multiple buy signals. So when there is a buy signal, but it is below the black line, then it has higher chances of failure. But when the signal appears by closing above the black line, that has a good potential to move faster. So you can notice here we have a triangle which I have added just now. Those who have this indicator don't know about this because it is added just yesterday. And this is a triangle which gives us I start entry signal when it closes above this black line. And there is one more signal there. What is that one more signal? Let me check. But it actually doesn't matter because the trade doesn't depend on which kind of signal it is. Signals are just to get entries. So if I remove that, there is a L written here. So this is another signal. There are two signals on same candle. And it happened that I was not able to go through this stock earlier because I had not checked this. On the day of entry on 28th July, I had checked that it is up and I put a retracement entry. Luckily, I got the entry and price stock went up smoothly. I could have entered after close of this candle. So next day I could have entered easily on 25th July. That was Friday. One day there was some consolidation. Next day rapid up move. And for this, usually a stop loss can be kept below the momentum line. And if candle closes as red candle below this black band, that can also be used as a partial exit to protect the capital. So exit some position and hold on to remaining position because the momentum is not yet starting. So in that case, we can wait and add further if the momentum starts again. So this was the way in which I had found the high rate from this screener, and then I went on to buy it. It was bought at 1386.8. It was a limit entry, and stop loss was kept at 1295. It was below this. It was below this red candle. It is 1297. My stop loss was below that. And from there, it has gone up smoothly.